Are we on the internet then?
Yeah, we're here.
We're here. We've arrived.
Which camera is looking at the internet?
Just look directly into this one.
Into the...
I hope this is a VR situation. Hey, small world, big city, tough kitty. Young Simmy keep swimming, they go up with me. Up jump the outcast, live a little gritty. Stay sharp, keep running, buck 50. Hey, bright lights buzzing, could've showed something. Nah, cousin, bright bulbs turn moth hunters. Ah, brother, cloth cutters went butter soft. I came to make the flood, I got the gutter up. Unearth, submerge, subvert. I'm a real summer bitch, overt the utterance. Locate the shiver, locate some dirt. Some other shit. Couple tunes in the thumper, couple goons by the bumper. Too soon with every joke. I stay up at night, fucking up my life, blame my appetite. I'm on the wrong side of right.
You got an itch, and you can scratch it, man, it's just right there. But y'all keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it, yeah. Rules to this shit, I must have missed. Everything open, man, it's just right there. But y'all keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it.
Yeah, then fuck 'em. Hey, you tell them lights out, tell them peace, keep the name out of their mouth. May the end be the same when they came out. Dark and scared, I'm there with the pettiness. I'm a real messy bitch. I'm a prick with a twist in the olive. I live to get in and go. My last opinion is low. So gas for the white knuckle flight, be the type shit. Hide from the ties when they bond, keep the tight knit. Tight shit, tight grip. High definition so high. My vision is a mile wide vision from the next man. Standing over next man's plan. Cut with precision, aim to be the best man. You want more? Where's yours? Fuck a lot of betting over trying to do the next man's chores. I feel bad, but I show my work now, damn it. So trash in the trash, be about it, and I love trash. And thrash, old anthrax, same as old coke. Get relaxed, get bags back. I've been a boss since born with a monocle and half lit fat ass cigar. Alright, it's some Chem Dog, these leader Hayes, coming okay, OG, and a tiny jar.
You got an itch, you got an itch, and you can scratch it, and it's just right there. But y'all keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it. Yeah, there's rules to this shit, I must have missed everything over, man, it's just right there. But y'all keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it, keep ignoring it. Yeah. Fuck yeah. The best thing about the paper, the Isthmus, is that you don't have to read it anymore. It's just streaming sound checks. Video content, video content, video content. Nobody.
That's how you talk to the internet.
You need to update that? Am I looking in the wrong one? Hey. Stepping like a concrete mixer, all these odd thoughts flicker while these soft parts flutter. Churning all that glitter ain't gold. By the digits, so they got them in the gutter. You will find it where the road hits the rubber stamp. O to the underbelly, fold with the upper hand, please. I tell myself, breathe, tell your partner my reach. Let the needle to the heart of the dream and see what part of it bleeds.
Yeah, doing donuts in an Acura in slow motion, cause life is cooler than you thought it was. Doors open, both hands up, eyes closed, taking out a stoplight, that's my real life. Push buttons and write words and saying for work and make nerds for something as fuck daily. Guaranteed stressed out with a bitch. Beat your vibe, really I'm throwing TV at you crazy. Say Pete, you crazy. I get pissed that I said the word bitches. Then I explained how I was quoting this rap guy. Then that's my rap dies. I laughed and laughed. Go
I was digging 4 or 5 when you were gone, fishing, feeling. I was kicking the ignition, peeling. Listen to the tires squealing, feeling inspired in spite of all these flashing red lights. I was masking my pain, but I was feeling alright. But I was passing that light.
I was taking that light, making something a little better, trying to keep that light and make something return.
That was my fault. Put the metal to the flame.
Eyes, heavy 90s metal bass player vibe, slowly cocking his head to one side. Creep City like I'm Cedar Falls High with a crazy look.
I get a fuck yes son of a maybe. Make it wavy like whoa. Something crazy. Do's what I feels like. That's my real life.
That's my
Sick. Sick. Hey, is Front of House guy still there? He's not. When you see him, could I get a little more in the, just a little bit more of me in the wedges, please? Well, how's it going? Comment and like and subscribe below, you guys. Smash that comment button.
smash that comment button.
You guys make
and
sure
leave a like.
How am I gonna do this on the pedal? I have no deep voice. Out of mind, out of matter. Out of time, out of standard. Caught it on the sine wave on the 12 scanner. Lot of signs is a nil for each hammer. Out of mind, out of matter. Out of time, out of standard. Caught it on the sine wave on the 12 scanner. Lot of signs is a nil for each hammer. Gotta lie.
Dodge the okey Joe, roll your hope Joe. Eyes be overflowed, it's so bloodshot. Burning up a moon rock, hotter than the sunspot. Surfing on a belly full of rock, turkey full of buckshot. New moon black, moon ring black, new moon cruising in the back. New codes lack, new road, new flow, new nothing but the dope. Fuck store drug lord, overboard truck lord, ill. Get the hammer, get the boars. Yeah. Get absorbed, get ignored, get absorbed. Ideal, the high mind hides mind feels. So I'll hide you, my mind chills, and y'all keep still with y'all think. Still in our straight boom. Fucking dummies, I'm a real ass, grown ass. Manitoba flow be like a SEAL Team 6 ass strike, son, eat me. Feel these beatings, he'll quit preaching when your stillborn brain stops thinking. Peace.
Bless you.
Chill. Gesundheit.
Out of mind, out of matter. Out of time, out of standard. Caught it on the sine wave on the 12 scanner. Lot of signs, there's a nail for each hammer.
Out of control, 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 out of control.
With no inhaler, you ready?
Out of control.
Pretense longer than 10 prehistoric centipedes. All stems from feeding off an enemy. All ends, any means can't expend the energy. Arrested their development.
Send them back to Tennessee.
Henny in his water bottle doing the electric. 2 pennies in his pocket if he need to see the other side. Come for to carry him, come for to pay the way. I came a little drunk with a trunk full of 808s. And Andy, are you okay? Eyes big as dinner plates. Pac-Man, he can eat the whole interstate. Chase his own ghost, hope the Fed keep the interest rate low for the kid. Find a place, stand his hat back. Papers in the backpack, vapors caught in abstract. And ever since been completely shad-wrapped. Destruction eater, back to the 2-seater. Find a few meters and a few cube cleaners. Never sip the Kool-Aid or the cough syrup. Cool hand Andrew, lost in Europe on a fool's errand, really. I mean, really, don't take more than I should, but have a few misgivings. Boo hiss, grip some L's, Andrew W's. Don't let the lampoon trouble you. New kicks, a few backs, Quebec, French kiss. Reset game, new quest. Who this? Who this? It's Facebook Live. It's the bread shred. Shred dogs.
Red carpet.
Shreddy Vetter. Shreds Zeppelin.
Shredder's soundtrack.
Fucking ruled. That was awesome. Thanks, Facebook. Thanks, Isthmus. Thanks, Madison, Wisconsin.